Okay, guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to do vibrato. So I've been getting a lot of compliments on my vibrato, so I just thought I'd just share how I learned how to do vibrato as a self-taught violinist. It took me a long time to learn how to do vibrato because there was a lot of videos on YouTube that were extremely unclear. So today I'm just gonna make it much easier for you guys to learn how to do vibrato the way I taught myself. The first thing you need to know how to do is you need to be able to hold the violin with your neck without it just falling. So like this. No hands, just like this. This you need to know how to be able to do that. Then there's only two steps to this. The second step would be normally when we're playing violin, we are taught that we need to keep our hand like this on the neck. But what you need to do is and you need to open up your hand like this a little bit. Let me just use something much smaller that's much easier to be visible. So I'm going to do an example using this charger. So normally this is how you hold your violin. What I want you to do is I'm going to need you to open up your hand slightly like this. An over exaggeration would be something like this. I want you to open up your hand slightly like this, leaving a little bit of space there. That way your arm will be able to vibrate, because when you have it like this, your violin will just start shaking and you'll be tense and nothing will happen. It will sound terrible. So what I need you to do is you need to open up a little bit of space like so. Then so the first thing you're gonna do is be able to hold your violin like this. Then put your hand, but then open up the space a little bit. Put your hand, but then open up the space just slightly. You see how there's just a little gap right there, just a little gap, still maintaining everything that you've learned as a beginner. Then after that, you just open up your space, right? Then what you need to do is just your hand should do something like this. Then you would do exercises where you slowly learn how to do this. Then you increase the speed bit by bit. You need to make sure that you're not tense. You're using your wrist and your arms and your fingers like this. You don't use your entire hand. This is wrist vibrato, so it's all in the wrist. It's all in the wrist. Just doom, and then your fingers like this. Then it just sounds something like this. I haven't played that piece in a minute. My professional tip is never consider vibrato like a light switch. It's usually like starts off slow, then it gets faster. That's how I make it sound so good. You don't just go same time. You do something nice and simple, like you start it off nice and slowly, then get faster and like. And that's how you do vibrato. If there was anything lost in translation, please ask me questions in the comments down below, and I'll try to answer them as much as I can. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for 1,053 subscribers. I appreciate each and every single one of you guys. By the way, I took a part to make this video, ruined my 3-week streak, so the least you can do is like the video. Thanks. Bye.